365, 365, shake my hand, man. Hope you guys are doing well. This is a tutorial that I promised you guys. I said I was going to make a quick video to show you how to sign up on this site to get access to Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, and Trading Psychology, right? So if this is for registered students or if when and, whenever you decide to register and join us, if you want to learn institutional order flow and supply and demand. At the time of this recording, I am so tired, so forgive my puffy eyes, right? But you can see here, what I've done is I've created like just a fake account. I am Mr. Blah, blah, blah. So you're going to get an email from us after you've registered. If it's your first time ever, and if you've already registered, this is what it will look like as well. Be like, hello, blah, blah, blah. Welcome to 365. Click here and set your password. So you're just going to click there. And I want you to set up your password. All right, it's a password that you're going to remember. I'm going to create one now. And if you try and log on with this account to be, yeah, okay, it doesn't even matter. Okay, so let's be serious about it. Right, then you're going to confirm whatever you just typed. Okay, and I'm going to hit sign in, I think. I had to create a whole new email, and then I had to create a whole new I had to log myself out of Google, blah blah blah, just to make sure. Because I remember I've got bigger admin rights, right? So I'm doing this. This is the same experience, you should go through, right? And then you're gonna see this, right? So because you've already paid and blah blah blah, it will register you as free. If you're a registered student, and for whatever reason it wants you to pay again, do not pay again if you've already registered in the past. Just contact us, we'll sort you out, right? If it's your first time, then absolutely you're going to have to obviously register, right? It's like 220 bucks for everything, 100 bucks per module. So 100 bucks for trading psychology, 100 bucks for module 1 or module 2, right? But if you buy the whole thing, it's much more cheaper that way, 220, right? So right now this appears as free, so I'm going to click on it here, free, right? And then it's gonna be like, hey, dude, 365, blah blah blah, trading course, institutional supply and demand. Hey, Mr. Blah blah blah, right? So there you are there. And all I need you to do is to hit the enroll for free. All right. Enroll for free because you've already paid or you've already registered. If you haven't, you'll be in some buying process. All right. But we'll send you all the links if you're using for the first time. We'll send you a pay fast link, and then it should just take you straight to these videos. It will just take you straight to the course. From a right. Market maker's perspective, like out of nowhere, I just start talking, right? So then, if it's your first time, definitely sit through these videos in this order. This is the one thing about my course is I'm not spouting random things about markets. I'm actually building a clear set of rules that feed into each other, that help you restructure the way I do. I mean, if you're watching this just after the FOMC meeting, right? If you really look at the markets, look at how everybody thought Powell was done being aggressive, everybody thought this and that. And you look at the supply and demand levels I marked out on Sundays, right? And you look at those supplies now, and you see the markets where markets are falling from. That's not like randomness, man. Right, that systematic approach that I use in the war rooms, that is extremely profitable, that we do transparently on this channel all the time and give it out for free. I could be selling those signals, right? So my big point is follow the step-to-step lectures. Yeah, lecture 1, this 0 here is just an introduction to markets. But after that, everything is important. Lecture 1, supply and demand, the rules, major turning points. Lecture 2, just go through it. And the nice part about this new site is I can actually track you. So I can track how many of my videos you watch. Did you complete the course? I've put in homeworks and activities that are reflection points, so that after you've done ABC, right, quickly reflect on these specific charts, right? And you can send me those charts, by the way. I'll have a look at them. You'll tell me, look, you are doing module 1. This is what you've done. Those of you who've done the course before when it was on the drive, feel free to walk back through the rules, all right? Because this is literally it. There is no remixing. Markets move in one way, and have been doing that since the beginning of capitalism. That's 400 years, where supply and demand is the ingredient for pricing in factors in the markets, in the economy. All right, so you must master this stuff no matter how long it takes. Master it until a breakthrough comes, right? Right. So basically, module one, you automatically get here's module two videos, and the zero here stands for the number of lectures you've actually completed. So module two has 19 lectures. Module one has 29 lectures, right? So if you fully watch a video, fully complete a lecture, it'll mark your progress along the lines, right? Please, those of you registered before and you've already done all of this, please jump straight to the survey, please, right? Jump straight to the survey, and let me know how you feel about the course overall. I would appreciate that. I would absolutely appreciate that. Module two, then same thing, right? So long story short, once you register, you should get access. So this is module two, right? This is not like an empty thing. I know a lot of people get conned and blah blah blah. All these nodes here are filled with high value content, trial by trial. Sometimes it's like an hour, sometimes classes 2 hours, right? But it's high value stuff in here, right? And then everyone else, as soon as all of you guys in the next 48 hours, whoever is enrolled, there will be a new tab down here written trading psychology. I'm going to start uploading my videos there. All right. So I hope this helped in terms of the tutorial. I try to design this in a very easy to follow process, right? If you still have problems, don't worry. Let me know. Let my team know. But it's just going to be me handling it, right? So please use the public and private Telegram groups wherever you are. If you're like struggling to log in, maybe we used an old email when you last registered, and then you now need to kind of like remember which email you use. We'll let you know the one that we have, so you can register, right? I hope this made sense. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the classes. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the live sessions. The month of November, December, January, and February next year, for those 4 months, the focus is just for registered students. I really want to get you guys your belts tightened for next year, all right, so that we all in the money together, all right. So yeah, that's all, man. I mean, all I wanted to do was to make a tutorial about our new site and the classes, and I think it's gonna be awesome. On Saturday, Sunday, all registered students, I'm gonna be moving all of us to a private Discord, right? It's gonna have channels for every single currency I'm trading. You're gonna get all my posts before they happen. I'm just gonna be literally, I'm gonna be spoon feeding as many people as possible while you learn, you earn, right? So that we can actually inherently study these rules together, all right? All these rules on indices, currencies, stocks, crypto, while we're studying them and mapping out the psychology of the markets, right? So whether you did there'll this be with me, money along the way, blah 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 blah, right? So hope this made sense. If there are any problems with registering, accessing the course, hit us up and we'll sort you out. 365. Shake my hand. See you in the next video. Peace.